everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the strange penguin and tell a story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, Paul was different from all the penguins. In fact, it was a strong penguin. The other penguins all loved skiing and playing on the ice and making a snowman. But Paul rarely left the house. Most of the time he stays at home and still by the smoke and warms himself. He could not stand the cold and snow at all. The wall of his house was full of photos and tropical areas. Little Paul loved looking at these pictures. He used to sit from morning to night and say to himself, "I wish I could go to a place like this. How good it is to lie down by the seashore and enjoy the warmth of the sun." One day, when the water was too cold, he decided to go to Hawaii and told his friends, "I have decided to move to Hawaii." His friends looked at him in surprise. Finally, Paul cut a piece of ice from the floor of his house and shaped it into a boat. He prepared it for travel. Then he brought a boat and went to South America. During the trip, many adventures happened to Paul. But the further he went, the more he felt warm. Despite this, Paul wanted to fill the head as much as possible until he was sweating. But one day a terrible thing happened. Little by little, the water got so hot that Paul's little boat started to melt. Do you remember? The boat was made of ice. The boat was melting bit by bit. First one side and then the other side, until only a small piece of the boat remained. Soon that piece also melted and the poor penguins fell into the water. Paul was a good swimmer. Unlikely there was a warm island nearby. Paul quickly swam to the island until he got there and entered this island. He looked around and saw that it was full of beautiful palm trees. He smiled happily. It was just like one of those pictures that he hung in this room. Paul was soon relieved. All the animals welcomed him. They had never seen such a strong creature before welcomed him. Paul started a comfortable and happy life. Every day he would swim in the warm water of the sea, and then he would come and sleep in his bed. And the deer brings him cool drink, and he also eat and joins. He was not bothered by the heat at all. Today our story is over. Don't you think that penguins is strange? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.